Welcome to the big, beautiful Bella San Luci kitchen. We're here to cook an honorable mention recipe from our contest submitted by Chef Lynn Albright. Move over, avocado toast. There's a tomato in town. And Bella San Luci shines with bacon as the co-star. Let's get cooking. All right, this recipe has a few phases. It's a poached egg toast with a saffron aioli. But let's get to the sun-dried tomato bacon jam first. Chef Lynn says start with the reserved bacon fat. I have already cooked the bacon and chopped it. With that, I'm going to put the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes. Get that in. And this will help us to saute the onion. Get that bacon fat hot and get the onion in. I always like to get some color on the onion before I put the garlic. The garlic less cooked is always sweeter. Now the garlic, now that we're into spring, in the month of April, maybe we can start doing those brunches. Spice her up a little bit, touch of smoked paprika. You can use not smoked if you like. Bella San Luci's newest pride and joy. There's a spicy, a cacciatore, and a basil. This is the basil one. Now that we have everything in and it is smelling wonderful, I'm gonna put a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. And then I'm gonna start cooking it down with apple cider vinegar, which will give it a touch of sweetness and help it become a jam. All right, so we have our base going. Here comes the brown sugar to make it a jam, actually. And it's a sun-dried tomato jam. So here is the Bella San Luci Julienne in extra virgin olive oil with Italian herbs. Gonna turn the flame all the way down to low. Stir, stir, stir. And let that come together like a jam, nice and slow. We're starting to look like jam. We're gonna add the bacon, pre-cooked and chopped. Give that a stir. So we have a nice melange. We're gonna turn it all the way down as far as possible to a tiny flame and let it simmer for about 8 minutes. Time for the toast. We're gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil and heat it in the oven. Either broil or I have it at a 500-degree flame. Very healthy Mediterranean diet olive oil. And let's get the toast into the oven. Another phase, we're gonna add a touch of white vinegar, white balsamic, and some of the sun-dried tomato oil. The vinegar, the oil, feta cheese, and give it a little toss. Just a pinch of pepper. We have the salad, the jam. We've pre-poached our eggs and made a saffron aioli according to the recipe's direction. Our toast is ready, a little bit crispy, and we're ready to assemble. I'm gonna take a piece of the toast and get it on the plate. The next step will be a nice spoonful of the jam, which the brown sugar, bacon, and sun-dried tomato combination is really coming out. Next, we're going to get a little bit of the salad on there. Red, white, and green, colors of Italy, love that. Next, we're going to get our poached egg on top of that, and then a nice big dollop of the saffron aioli, leaving a little bit of the color of the white of the egg. Sprinkle a little bit of that lemon zest on top. Let's grab a nice sprig of the basil. Chef Lynn Albright's poached egg toast with sun-dried tomato bacon jam. Everybody, please get your recipes into bellasanluci.com. Cook with the passion that Lynn Albright obviously has, and eat with your friends and family with love. Arrivederci, have a great spring.